Your pimples will disappear in a week, marks will fade in 3 days, and your skin starts glowing in a day. We don't make such impractical claims because at Cureskin, we tell you the truth. Hello, I'm Dr. Charu Sharma, Head of Dermatology at Cureskin. Today, let's find out when your Cureskin kit will start showing results. It will take 4 to 6 weeks to show visible improvement in your skin. However, it takes much more time for your skin concerns to be completely cured, and this depends on 5 key factors. Number 1. Regular use. One of the most important factors is how regular are you with your treatment. If you skip using your products for a few days, it will delay your skin improvement. For example, not using your sunscreen even for 2 days may cause skin damage and slow down your results. Number 2. The severity of the skin issue. While some people may see improvement in pimples within a month, for others with more serious and stubborn acne, it may take at least 3 to 4 months to see the visible changes. So the more severe your skin issues are, the longer it will take. Number 3. Skin sensitivity. Some people have very sensitive skin. Such people often experience skin irritation or reaction while applying new products. For them, it might take a longer time to notice improvements. Number 4. Your diet and lifestyle. Let's take an example of Simran and Anjali. Both have pigmentation. Now Simran has a job with 4 to 5 hours of sun exposure, whereas Anjali's work is indoor. In this case, Anjali's pigmentation will show faster improvement. Moreover, maintaining a good healthy diet and a sufficient sleep of 7 to 8 hours also contribute to faster results. Number 5. Your age. Age is an important factor in determining whether you will see results faster or slower. In your 20s, your skin improves faster, but in your 30s and 40s, it might take a little longer time for your skin to heal. But remember, you can get healthy skin at any age.